We know the universe began about 13.8 billion years ago with the Big Bang, but the real mystery is, what came before it? Was there a time before time? A space before space? Today we dive into the leading theories and what some of the greatest minds in science believe about the moments before everything began. Get ready to have your mind stretched beyond imagination. First, let's be clear. The Big Bang wasn't an explosion in space. It was an explosion of space itself. Space, time, energy, and matter. They were all born at the Big Bang. Before it, by the rules of standard cosmology, there was no before, because time itself didn't exist yet. As Stephen Hawking famously said, asking what came before the Big Bang is like asking what's north of the North Pole. But not all scientists agree that the story stops there. Let's explore the possibilities. One major idea: the universe came from nothing, but not the everyday nothing we think of. In quantum physics, nothing can still have energy, tiny fluctuations that randomly pop in and out of existence. According to physicist Lawrence Krauss, nothingness is unstable. Given the laws of quantum mechanics, universes can and will form spontaneously. In this view, the universe didn't need a cause. It just happened. Tiny quantum fluctuations triggered a runaway expansion, what we now call the Big Bang. Another leading theory: the universe may be cyclic, expanding and contracting over and over. In this model, our Big Bang was just the latest bounce in an endless cosmic heartbeat. Theorists like Paul Steinhardt and Neil Turok propose a cyclic universe, where each Big Bang is followed billions of years later by a big crunch. Collapse, bounce, new universe. Repeat forever. So before our Big Bang, there could have been an entirely different universe that collapsed and gave birth to ours. Another mind-blowing idea is eternal inflation. According to physicist Alan Guth, after the Big Bang, the universe expanded at a rate faster than light for a fraction of a second. But what if inflation didn't stop everywhere? Some regions could keep inflating forever, creating countless bubble universes within a multiverse. In this view, the Big Bang wasn't the beginning of everything. It was just the birth of our local bubble. Beyond it, an endless, ever-growing multiverse of other universes, different laws of physics, different realities. Neil deGrasse Tyson said, "Our universe may be just one of many. An infinite ocean of universes, where ours is just a single bubble." Quantum gravity, the theory that tries to merge quantum mechanics with Einstein's relativity, offers another vision: the Big Bounce. Before the Big Bang, the universe may have been contracting. It shrank to a minimum size, but instead of collapsing into a singularity, quantum effects caused it to rebound or bounce back outward. This is a major focus in loop quantum cosmology, developed by physicists like Martin Boyewald. If true, the universe didn't begin at the Big Bang, it simply rebounded from a previous phase. Some theories suggest that time never truly began. The universe has always existed in some form. Maybe it existed in a timeless quantum state before transitioning into the expanding universe we observe today. Or maybe time behaves differently at extreme scales, looping or folding, concepts physicists like Sean Carroll explore. Carroll said, "The universe can just be without having been created. No beginning, no end. Just different states of existence." So, what happened before the Big Bang? Maybe a cosmic bounce? Maybe a multiverse bubble? Maybe nothing at all. The truth is, we don't know. And maybe we'll never know. But asking the question pushes science and imagination to their limits. Because the biggest mystery of all is how anything exists at all.